Hello, it's December the 12th. What's inside the Golf GTI advent calendar today? Let's find out. I'm liking how all this is now coming together. 12 we've got here. It's a set of mini seats. Do they look smart? Just put those with the other stuff. Very nice. In 1991, the Mark III Golf GTI made its debut, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine that made 115 brake horsepower and weighed around 250 kilograms more than the previous model, which made it look quite tame in comparison. And then came along the VR6, which was equipped with a 174 brake horsepower engine that was taken out of the VW Passat engine's output to 150 brake horsepower. Equipped with ABS, as well as an electronic differential as standard. VW celebrated the 20th anniversary of the GTI with a limited edition 20 years GTI, which had red GTI lettering on the grille, sides and the rear, as well as red brake calipers. Here's a very nice picture of Mark III GTI. That's all we got today. Join us tomorrow for December the 13th. See what exciting facts and little bits we have inside the calendar. Thank you, bye bye.